Oh, it's good evening. So the purpose of this video is to share with you some tips related to Accenture application, especially kung nandun ka na sa side ng assessment. Well, technically, assessment will be very crucial and very important sa part ng journey mo sa pag-apply ng Accenture. Why? Kasi dito, they will gauge if you are kung fitted ka sa specific project, especially if content moderator yung a-applyan mo. Most technically, questions and assessment will be based on the skill set on the content moderator. Mostly more on computer navigation is important, and then yung simple mga shortcut keys na ginagamit natin, it's important. Yun mga usually mga tanong. And then meron din tayong long method na assessment which is Rosetta. I suggest na just take it seriously para mabilis na, para hindi nasasayang yung effort niyo sa pag-apply. Kasi sayang naman nandun ka na sa assessment. Ibig sabihin, once nandun ka na sa assessment part, meaning you're eligible for the position. So, meaning you are qualified. Kasi, tapos ka na sa paper screening, which is also crucial, where they will validate your the educational background. They will also validate your work experience. And then after the Rosetta naman, they will invite for a short interview from HR. Sometimes, diretso ka na kagad sa final interview in some cases or in some project. Yun naman, during, yun po yung mapapayo ko. And then during initial interview naman, it's most likely personal touch basis naman about asking your personal information, your educational background. Nagkakatalunan tayo sa final interview wherein they will ask you more on the situational question, most on your experience and expertise. Yun po yung papayo ko, guys. Merry Christmas!